Hey everyone, this is Alexis and welcome to No Measurement Eats. It's 5-Minute Friday, so today we are making a delicious fall-inspired pancake recipe. It's chocolatey, desserty, and so good. I love it. Stay tuned. All right, so here are all the ingredients you need to make these fall pancakes. First, you're gonna need some oatmeal flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, 1 egg, some cacao chunks that I've chopped, 2 bananas, agave, and some milk. This is almond milk. Feel free to use whatever non-dairy milk that you prefer, but this is my favorite. So watch this trick. Bananas, boom, into delicious mashed bananas. I just used a fork. You'll get that consistency if you just mash away. So now, in a large mixing bowl, I have my oatmeal flour. I'm adding in my mashed bananas. I'm then taking 2 spoonfuls of cinnamon. And I hate these types of spice containers with the sifter thing in them. I just prefer to grab my spoon, pour it in, and there you go. So that's what I've done with the nutmeg. I now have 1 egg that I am adding as well. A few squirts of agave. Feel free to use honey as well, but agave is all we have. And now, you know, the freaking top was on the almond milk, so I had to take that off. Poured a generous amount of that in there, and now I'm mixing away. Write in the comments if you really like watching people mix things. I know I do when I watch these types of videos, so very satisfying. Now, once you've mixed, make sure you check the consistency. That is just a little too thick right there. So I've added some more almond milk. You want it to be a pancake batter, so not too thick and not too liquidy. Make sure you find a happy medium. Now we're all set. So this skillet has been heating on the stove for probably about 2 to 3 minutes on medium high. I've also added some olive oil to prevent the batter from sticking. So now I'm just scooping in very messily our batter. And yeah, forming it into somewhat of a circle. My husband thinks that this was not a perfect circle, and you know, I never do perfect circles, so it's okay. I then topped this off with, oh my gosh, the delicious chocolate. It's so good. Oh my gosh. It's gonna get messy and you'll see, but it's totally worth it. Now I'm flipping it, and there you go. Look at that. Oh, so delicious, so crispy. And then you start to see all the chocolate melting. It's gonna look like you burnt something, but trust me, it's not burnt, it's just chocolate. And to be honest with you, when that chocolate melts and almost caramelizes, it just makes your pancakes that much better. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. My delicious, somewhat healthy, desserty chocolate fall banana pancakes. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching today's video. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Finally, No Measurement Eats is giving away our free breakfast cookbook. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, type in your email address, and I'll send it right to you. All right, guys, hope you have a great day.